right, we're ready to do our leaf drawing. So hopefully you've got all your chalk ready. This is my leaf. It's from a rose bush, like a climbing rose bush. My niece brought it over Sunday morning, some roses in a vase or vase, and fresh blueberry muffin for Mother's Day. Super sweet. So I chose this one because of the serrated edges and because of the veining. So a lot of deep veining, but very very detailed where I can see it, and symmetrical for the most part until we get up to here. It also has some darker edges, almost purpley on the ends. So I thought it was very interesting. So this is what I'm going to be drawing. You have your two leaves. And so I'm going to ask you some questions before you begin your drawing, the questions that we always ask. And so have your leaf in front of you and let's look at it. If you haven't already, be a good time to pause and just do some practice work in the air with different shapes so that your arm gets warmed up. Remember, we're using muscles from here. We're using our shoulder, not elbow or wrist or even our little fingers, okay? So take your leaf, and I want you to look at your leaf and draw the overall shape of your leaf in the air. So yours may be elongated, or it may be a heart-shaped leaf. So look at the overall shape of the leaf and draw it in the air. Then after you've drawn it in the air, draw it on the board as a silhouette, not as an outline. So that means you're going to take the side of your chalk, or the very end, like the flat end, not the tip end, and draw the silhouette of your leaf. Do this carefully and with much thought, so don't be in a hurry. And it can be bigger than your leaf. That's okay. Detail is always good. And then once you've done that, because we're just really doing silhouettes with the leaves, but you can add a little bit of detail if you want to, just not much detail. We're not adding color. But you can add a little bit of detail. So you could add, like for mine, I could add the serrated edges here, or I could add the veining. And then do your other leaf, and just kind of get used to the shapes and drawing the silhouette of an object, which in this case is a leaf. And if you know the name of your leaf, the plant that you got your leaf from, write it on your chalkboard just to have it in your memory when you write it. A lot of times it helps to imprint it on there. So I know mine is a rose leaf. One of the details that I can't draw but that I just noticed is the very back vein of mine. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't think you can. Has tiny little thorns. No wonder they catch on the clothing every time I walk by. Now it not only has thorns on the stems, but it has thorns on the back of the leaves. My goodness. Okay, we'll have fun with that, and take a picture if you drew one and send it to me and let me see it.